Okay, we're in Manhattan. Let's try some Filipino food. Hi there. Are you the same as next door?
No.
Oh, so this is the Filipino restaurant, right? Okay, perfect.
Oh, you can check.
Perfect. I'll sit outside. Thanks. All right, let's see what we're working with. So this joint's in Manhattan. Looks good though. Some things I've never tried. Salpicao, sinigang we've seen. Squid adobo, I've been meaning to try that. Smoked tinapa, that's one that's with fried mackerel, charred chili, pineapple cynic. What do you recommend?
Okay. Most popular dishes I would say are the chicken adobo and pork adobo.
Yeah.
That one is just, it depends what meat you want, but it's a soy vinegar sauce.
Okay.
It's saucy. And most of these are over rice except the pancit, because those are noodles.
Pancit, yeah.
Yeah.
And do you have the tinapa?
Yes.
So that's like smoked mackerel, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
That one's also good.
Yeah. And then what is this? Crispy tadyong. I've never heard of
Oh, it's
this.
a salpicao. So that one is like a beef. I would say it's cubes.
Okay, cool.
And then that one is a bit garlicky.
And what would I eat if I got this tinapa? What would I eat it with? Maybe some.
Like as a side?
Or like what do you with like vinegar or like fish? You wouldn't have fish sauce or a bit of vinegar or something?
Yeah, so over on top of the mackerel they put like a charred pineapple thing.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool. I think I want to try the smoked tinapa, and
you can choose a rice, so you can choose either white rice, brown rice, or garlic rice.
I think garlic rice. I think that's good to start. Ooh, ginseng okra, that's kind of cool. Okay, I think that's good to start. Thank you. Look at this. They look like they have a Manhattan version of kinilaw. So this would be fluke fish ceviche, vinegar, coconut milk, ginger. It looks like a fancy version of kinilaw, which is a lot of people told me to get. And then there's that grilled hamachi collar. I've never seen this. I've seen crispy pata, but never pata tim, which is braised pig knuckles, soy, star garlic. This place looks really awesome. Usually Manhattan, everything gets a little fancier and like, I don't know, just less good than Queens and New Jersey, but this looks good. Look at that crispy pata. Whoa. So this is, you deep fry it?
Yes, it's fried.
So this one's fried, and then you add this little pineapple salsa,
Yes.
pickled red onion,
Yes,
garlic rice.
Yes, correct.
Anything else?
Italian cilantro, and then topped with like crunchy shallots.
Okay, cool. Great, that looks great. Thank you. Whoa. It's kind of like a Manhattan version of this. It looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna dive in for a little crispy tinapa and some rice. I know you gotta go spoon. Mmm. Whoa. That's huge flavor. I was a little worried there because I just realized it might not be boneless, so I just went in hard. But that's so good. Smoky, tastes really healthy. The crispy shallots I think that are on there are really good. Wow, really, really tasty. The crispiness, I don't know if tinapa is usually deep fried like this, but there's like a batter that makes it almost like a fish and chips. It's really good. Lots of action here in Manhattan. Dining on the street. Also very intrigued by this squid adobo, sauteed. There's chicken adobo, pork adobo. That squid adobo has soy sauce, garlic, onion, tomato, scallion, chilies. I bet you that's really good. That was really good, thanks.
Oh, you're done.
Yeah,
oh my gosh, that was so fast.
When I bit into it, I was like, oh no, is there bones in the mackerel? But it's nice that it's like filleted. Cool. Okay, that was awesome. That was like really clean, really fresh. I'm glad I tried that dish. The smokiness of the fish with the crispiness of it being fried, almost like fish and chips. That was really tasty. And now let's go explore maybe around this area, which is Hell's Kitchen in Manhattan. Maybe you thought the review was done or the vlog was done. It's not. When you're this close to a Jollibee, you have to go and experience something else on the menu. Look at this, Jollibee spaghetti. I've had that. delicious. Let's go find something I've never tried. What do you know? It's busy as hell. I think I gotta go banana lanka with the jackfruit and banana in the hand pie. That sounds nice. Last time I came here, they didn't have the banana lanka pie, so the tension's building. Do you have the banana lanka?
We only have 2 mangoes.
Oh, tragic. That's 0 for 2 for me. I'll do the spicy chicken sandwich.
Spicy chicken sandwich?
Thanks. That's the second time I tried to come in and get the banana lanka. Look at that lanka teasing me. I'm just waiting for a pineapple barbecue sauce. I could have got gravy, pineapple barbecue creamy, sriracha, ranch, honey mustard. I'll try them all. I opted for the gravy. Okay, like, the one thing about this place is so busy that you can, you know the chicken's gonna be fresh. Dang, look at that. Perfection. It's so salty and good. And I've never had that. It's a perfect chicken sandwich. Here's the full experience. Oh yes, sweet gravy dunking. What a place. I secured a little pineapple barbecue. Also good. How about the elusive pineapple barbecue gravy dunk? That could be too much. What a restaurant. What a place to eat for lunch. There it is, the Jollibee. A complete winner. That's another fun Filipino food blog. We had some dishes we've never tried. Some smoked mackerel. We had a wonderful chicken sandwich from the one and only Jollibee. And that's it. Till next time. From Manhattan.